Right now, I'm in University of Nairobi, studying medicine in my first year. And when Dad wasn't well, it was difficult seeing Dad in the condition that he was in and all the pain and suffering he was going through. It was even harder considering that now I'm doing medicine. My dad was my very first patient. The way things ended was unfair. And we miss him every day. But he's in a better place now and he's addressed. Thank you.
Let us appreciate him.
Okay, Manu would Ken Martin, Koro the next one, and Raborani, Nyinge Victor Nyagudi.
I'm also